Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get my cat and put him in a driveway and see if this bird will attack him. One second.
Good job, kitty kitty. Come on. Come on.
Okay, here's my little kitty cat. And there's the bird. I don't know if you see him. Where is he? He's on the power line. Can't see him because of the tree. Okay. There he is, up there. Well, let's see if he'll get my kitty. Okay, here it goes.
Come here, Smokey. Come on. Come on, kitty kitty. Smokey, come here. Don't lay down. Come here.
Oh, he tried to get him.
Smokey, don't let him get you. Come on.
I'm gonna stop and see if I can get